Today we're looking at the Moman XView M4 selfie monitor. So what is this used for? Well, this is the monitor itself. And what I want to do is be able to, instead of using the back screen, which is low resolution, I want to use the front facing camera. In order to see yourself, you want to use something like this. So this solves that issue, and I'm going to show you how to connect it right now. But first, let's take a look at it and what it comes with. It does have USB-C connectivity. At the power button is right here. So it's a physical button that you touch, the USB-C connectivity. You can also hear yourself. There's an actual speaker right there. And here are the little controls on the side, volume control, and you also have camera control here. It's not touch screens, it's just definitely a monitor, so you're not going to be able to touch anything. You control everything from the phone. But how do you pair it? Okay, so let's connect it. So in order to do that, we want to make sure we enable the Bluetooth on your phone. So let's do that right now. Let's go to the settings and go into the Bluetooth connections. Okay. All right, so when we're in the Bluetooth connections, what we're going to look for, it gives you instructions right here. So I already know to look for this photo FA1242. So that's what we want to do, and we want to pair it. Okay, so you say yes. Okay, once we do that, we're going to come out of this screen, and we're going to go into the other menu of the phone in order to do the screencast. So we're going to pair, and then we're going to bring down this screen here. And what we're looking for is the smart view on your Android. So we're going to enable the smart view, and when we do that, it's going to ask, which one do you want a smart view from? This was the Moman. Yes, that's the one we want. We're going to give it a second, and in a second we're going to see that our monitor is being cast right there. Okay, so now we have control over what we're looking at through our back camera. So let's launch the camera. Okay, once we do that, there it is. We can see that whatever the camera is pointing at, which is that front lens that I want to use for higher resolution, is now being mirrored on the monitor. Now we can actually just turn the camera around, and I can show you that. Oh, by the way, you do get magnetic rings, so you can attach it to your phone that way. You can use it on your case too. But here, I'll just show you what it looks like when it's on the phone. Oh, let's bring back the camera. So there it is. Okay, so now there I am behind the screen, so you can see myself, and you can record a little something. So let's record a little video, and let's do that and show you exactly what that looks like. Okay, so now we're recording video. Okay, obviously it's much easier when you have the magnetic thing connected. So there it is. The Moman selfie monitor is now being used, and I'm doing the double filming, just how I shoot my product videos like this. But as you can see, higher resolution camera. If I look down, I'm looking right at the lens. Here I am, and I can see myself on the camera. Oh, by the way, if you're live streaming YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, you'll be able to use the camera. It won't have any interruption whatsoever. So there you go. That's how you connect the Moman selfie monitor. Okay, so let's hit stop. You will control everything from the camera, the phone, not the self. This is just a monitor. It doesn't do nothing when you touch it. But there it is, Moman selfie monitor.